So here's my program. Right now I'm calling it Alien Blaster, and what's going to happen is I intend for there to be a spaceship, and the spaceship shoots UFOs that are descending vertically along the on the screen. So how I do this is first right now I'm using just very basic code just to put down the alien on this, just to put down the UFO on the screen, and put down a basic image of the player, of the spaceship, and then also put down some sound every time the spaceship laser shoots. So here we go. For the background image, I use an image called space.png, and that was something I just downloaded off the internet. The player image is an image of a spaceship, and the alien is an image of a UFO. The blaster sound it looks like a laser beam, and every time the keyboard is pressed, every time the space key is pressed, then the spaceship shoots a laser. And what I intend to do later on is to have the spaceship shoot the UFOs with the laser beam, and every time the UFO strikes the laser beam, it disappears. Also, I intend to have the UFOs disappear as soon as they reach the bottom of the screen. So my screen is 700 by 400. And the spaceship moves with the mouse. So whatever the mouse trackpad moves is where the spaceship goes. I move the spaceship by doing by setting the variable player position to player mouse .get position, get pause, and then setting X and Y equal to player position 0 and 1 respectively. And then the way I have the UFO moving down the screen is by incrementing the UFO position by 1. So adding 1 to every position every time the screen refreshes. It adds 1 to the Y value of the UFO position. Right now I have it written down as alien, but I'll probably change it to UFO pretty soon. What else? So every time the keyboard presses, it makes the image of a laser beam, the blaster, and it creates a sound, the blaster sound effect. Okay, so let's just run it and see how it goes for now. So now we have the UFO descending along the screen, and then the spaceship moves with the mouse. And whenever you press the space bar, it creates a sound effect and a laser beam. Now, what I intend to do is to have the laser travel vertically up the screen, and then if it intercepts a UFO, it removes the UFO, and then it also removes the laser. But for now, I haven't really figured out to do that. I think I'll use a sprite animation to do that. And also to place the UFOs. I'm thinking of also placing the UFOs in a random pattern along the screen, and then having them move down the screen in a random way. But I'm not entirely sure if I want to do that. Maybe I'll just keep the UFOs descending along the screen. Now, I also intend on putting a score in and a timer to make it so that there's a certain limit of how long the screen goes, or I might limit it to 100 UFOs or something like that. Yeah, that's it for now. Okay.